it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gaming here with another reaction. And today we're with Skippa. Yeah, Skippa with Wandaful. I believe this one is after the 4 grand EP when dropped last week or the week before. So that was on the part, I believe, because I think I done a reaction to this. On the live, I'm gonna drop a link to that one there. Well, a floating screen above my head where the reaction I finished to the full EP reaction. I done it live. So let's jump in on here where the G office send man. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, darling. Please remember when you go down to the bank, you're not going to mention nothing about the sweepstakes.
Production team, big up.
They're not affiliated with the sweepstakes, so you keep everything private and confidential.
A boy fly like
Wonderful.
Wonderful.
boy fly like plane.
Hold on, man. Big up the production team. Forgot to big up. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself.
And confidential.
A boy fly like
Wonderful.
boy fly like plane ticket. Boy fly like plane ticket. Press the X and scrape the rim. Walk up in a squad, the dog and skate left him. Check a drop like palm on a page to flip.
Walk up in a squad, the dog and skate left him. Squaddy can't keep up with the beast. Squaddy, your little patrol can't keep up with them beasts, yeah? And true, me no want to lick down police a gun. Me just skate left you. For avoid trouble, me just skate left you. Move. Gone.
Walk up in a squad, the dog and skate left him. Check a drop like palm on a page to flip. Yeah, a little boy having fun, so you know some face rich while and young and we live in carefree, but
Little boy having fun, so you know same face rich. He matter about himself in a one third person form. Again, Skippa is good at that. Skippa is talking about himself in a third person form. The little boy having fun, so you know same face rich.
little boy having fun, so you know some face rich while and young and we live in carefree, but bitch boy tongue pop pill get crazy. Hold on, make me slow it down so the crowd can't hear me. Yeah, send a capper to the crew and all that. Cause we ever in the mood for go chop a could.
Hold on, let me slow down, man. Let me crowd control, ease up. Hold on. Let me slow down. Level me. No capper to the crew, none of that. No capper in the crew, brother. None of them. Slow down.
Bitch boy tongue pop pill get crazy. Hold on, make me slow it down so the crowd can't hear me. Yeah, send a capper to the crew and all that.
No.
Cause we ever in the mood for go chop a coulda there dead broke a coulda cruise spanner yet me said the bang I still a search because the food never stop, yeah. Mother ass on the country bought a big food man a pull a never on to more to spend a money make a money so it cancel out. And boy no matter what you do no make it can go out. So let me tell you about the second chop. Me said the giant did a run but me catch her back a big.
The reason why I react to this again is because of the video, the music video. The video wasn't out yet. I don't believe. So that's the reason why I'm reacting to this again. Like I said, I reacted to the lyrics already. So I'm mainly here for the video.
And tomorrow to spend a money, make a money so it cancel out. And boy no matter what you do, no make it can go out. So let me tell you about the second chop. Me say the giant did a run, but me catch her back. A big old what me pull down and never kitchen snack. Ever see a dumpy driver crown inside the pigeon that.
Buckler, big what me pull down and never kitchen snack. Left a big food in the comment section for me. Big food. And if a snack. I know kids meal run as a brother.
Can go out, so let me tell you about the second chop. Me say the giant did a run, but me catch her back. A big what me pull down and never kitchen snack. Ever see a dumpy driver crown inside the pigeon that. Buckers cause she live in one shack. She never man, she never kid, she just love her cat. And now she left me fucking back, me just send her back. Never yet give me no talk, she just take her chop.
Yeah man, and she never give me no chop. Just take her chop, brother. Cause she know the jig is up. Give me what's mine. That's the way the G say. Not me, guys. I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that.
Buckers cause she live in one shack. She never man, she never kid, she just love her cat. And now she left me fucking back, me just send her back. Never yet give me no talk, she just take her chop. Yeah, can't drive if it tank no full. Fling another big charge, she say wonderful. ATM off the jam when me start to pull. She say Illinois chopper, say Chicago Bull. Yeah, Mocha is the only thing I fear. Them I watch my lifestyle and the car I steer. So my voice feel like you play in her ear. Skull up here for me weed and everything I wear. Little clown, just a watch and stare. Each up on the media, watching things I share. But I better you go scam me, mount a skull out there. Me never envy a boy, me just take my share. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Time when you take sit down and watch people business, you gotta do something for yourself. Help better yourself. Whatever you do, whether you hustle, legally or illegally, go take a chance for yourself. Come out people business. Yeah. Do like what Spice say and say you're not business with nobody business. When it comes to people business, you're too fast. That's what the G say. Not me. Not me.
Little clown, just a watch and stare. Each up on the media, watching things I share. But I better you go scam me, mount a skull out there. Me never envy a boy, me just take my share. Yeah. Mother ass on the country, bought a big food, man, I pull a never hand to more. To spend the money, make a money, so it cancel out. And boy, no matter what you do, no make it cangle out. So let me tell you about the second chop. Me say the giant did a run, but me catch her back. A big go up, me pull long, I never kitchen snap. Ever see a dumpy driver crown inside the pigeon that, yeah. Buckers cause she live in one shack. She never man, she never kid, she just love her cat. And now she left me fucking back, me just send her back. Never yet give me no talk, she just take her chop, yeah.
Ricky Stage. Dumboclad. Ricky Stage, my G. Ricky Stage. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. One Skippa skip, man. Big up yourself, Skippa. The EP did solid. Like me say, we do a full reaction on the EP. Every song on the EP get reacted to, so make sure say you click on any one of them there and go catch it. You see me? Yeah, man. Go catch it, man. You dead, man. You see me? Catch you guys in the next one, though. Let me know what you guys think about this on the comment section. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.